Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the new Bosch Series 8 built-in compact oven with steam function. Known for their exceptional quality, Bosch ovens produce amazing dishes every time. Introducing the Bosch new Series 8 compact oven. With its innovative technology, save time and effort on making your desired dish with the help of the oven assistant. Simply connect your oven to a registered Home Connect account and let the oven assistant do the work for you. Replacing the traditional rotary knobs with a new digital control ring, you are able to select the setting with just a touch. Coupled with the full TFT touchscreen display, navigate the program settings with full control as the clear, vibrant images and info texts guide you through each step. Introducing the Steam Function Plus feature. With the new Steam Function Plus, you are able to steam your dishes up to 120 degrees Celsius and have it ready in a shorter period of time. You can prep your meals 50% quicker without compromising its nutritional value, as more vitamins and nutrients are retained when steamed at high temperature. That's not all. The PerfectBake Plus function is able to help you plan your time in the kitchen more efficiently. This function uses artificial intelligence and its baking sensor to self-bake a variety of food. Simply select the dish and the oven takes over. When it comes to roasting beef, fish and chicken, timing is crucial. With the PerfectRoast Plus function, you don't have to worry about time management. PerfectRoast Plus uses a meat probe with 3 measuring points to monitor the temperature. When the selected internal core temperature is reached, that's when your dish is roasted to perfection. Like PerfectBake Plus, you are constantly updated on the time left until the completion of your dish. It's not over yet. The PerfectBake Plus and PerfectRoast Plus comes with an AI feature that learns about the user's preferences. So the more you bake or roast the same food or recipe, the more the oven learns about the optimal setting and will give you the perfect results you want. In addition, these learnings will be shared in the Learning Cloud and to help create future recipes for you. The added steam function is another utility to help our bakers achieve their baking needs. By injecting a constant dose of steam throughout the entire cooking, the enhanced steam feature imbues your dishes with tantalizing textures that captivate the palate. Cooking with added steam gives certain food items a crispy crust and a shiny surface. Just fill the water container, and let your oven take care of the rest. That's not all. Along with the assist function, you are able to receive notifications when your dish is done with the automatic switch off. By simply connecting your oven to the Home Connect application, your oven will automatically switch off when the dish is ready. The innovative technology also allows for you to control the oven anytime, anywhere. By connecting your oven to a Home Connect account, you can benefit from countless possibilities. You are able to sync your settings, select the preferred cooking setting, and be notified once a program setting is done. On top of that, you are able to make your selection with voice control. Cooking becomes more convenient with the oven assistant. With voice control, let the oven know what dish you want to prepare and it will suggest the suitable settings. And if you are unsure of what's for dinner, with Recipe World, you are able to access a world of recipes at your fingertips. Simply select a recipe and the dish setting will be synced directly to the oven. You can save your favorite recipes in the application as well. With the new and improved heating system, the hot air gentle function distributes heat evenly throughout the oven. This allows you to save more energy as preheating is not required. Perfect baking, roasting and cooking are achievable, thanks to the even distribution of heat. You do not have to worry about your dish being under or overcooked. The top-bottom heat gentle is the new gentle way of cooking. By selecting this function, you are able to achieve perfect baking for your bread and rolls. This function also allows you to save energy, depending on the dish and method of preparation. Looking to make healthier alternatives to your usual snacks? Just slice up some potatoes, put them on the grill tray with a little oil and activate the air fry function. And your snack will be ready in an instant. Take your cooking to the next level with versatile techniques and preparation skills accessible from your Home Connect account on your device. This allows you to stay up to date with the new cooking tips. You will never have to worry about scrubbing the grime and oils off your oven walls again. All you need to do is place approximately 400 milliliters of water with a drop of liquid detergent at the bottom of the oven and select the cleaning assistance. This will soften any baked-on residues in the oven and you can just wipe them off. Prolong your oven's lifespan with the oven door's soft close feature, a special damping mechanism that prevents the door from slamming shut. It stops your oven door before closing and it will shut gently and quietly. You can keep using your oven for a long period of time. It is always a bonus to find appliances that save space in your home. With its compact and minimalistic design, measuring at 60 centimeters by 45 centimeters, the oven can fit nicely into your kitchen cabinet. With its innovative functions, this multifaceted oven can help you achieve a fuss-free cooking experience. Save both time and energy while you enjoy your favorite meals from the comfort of your own home.